breathtaking, awe-inspiring, majestic. These are just a few words that encapsulate the beauty and allure of Glacier National Park. Nestled within the Rocky Mountains, this gem of nature offers unparalleled views, diverse wildlife, and a chance to reconnect with the primal essence of our world. First on our list is the Lodge at Whitefish Lake. This luxurious hotel combines the rustic charm of a log cabin with the modern amenities of a five-star hotel. It's conveniently located just a 30-minute drive from the west entrance of the park. The lodge offers a unique lakefront experience, complete with boat rentals and a private beach. It also boasts a full-service spa, gourmet dining options, and cozy rooms that promise a serene retreat after a day of exploration. In short, the Lodge at Whitefish Lake offers a blend of luxury, location, and leisure activities that make it a prime choice for visitors to Glacier National Park. Next, we turn our attention to the Firebrand Hotel. Situated in the heart of Whitefish Town, this boutique hotel is a fusion of urban sophistication and mountain spirit. The Firebrand offers a different experience from the lodge with its chic decor, rooftop patio, and live music events. It's a 15-minute drive from the park, making it an ideal base for those who wish to combine nature exploration with the vibrant local culture. With its stylish rooms, eclectic dining options, and a variety of entertainment, the Firebrand Hotel is the perfect choice for the modern traveler. Finally, we explore the North 40 Resort. Located amidst 40 acres of forest, this resort is a haven for nature lovers. It offers log cabins that provide a true wilderness experience without compromising comfort. The North 40 is a mere 20-minute drive from the park's west entrance. Each cabin features a fully equipped kitchen, a private hot tub, and a fireplace, making it an ideal choice for families or groups. The resort also offers a range of outdoor activities, including hiking and fishing. If you're seeking an authentic, nature-based experience, the North 40 Resort is the place to be. To summarize, the Lodge at Whitefish Lake offers a luxury lakefront experience with a wide range of amenities. The Firebrand Hotel brings urban sophistication to the mountain setting and is ideal for those seeking a vibrant cultural experience. The North 40 Resort offers an authentic wilderness experience with comfortable, self-contained cabins and a plethora of outdoor activities. Each of these hotels offers a unique experience, catering to different tastes and expectations. Whether you're seeking luxury, culture, or wilderness, you'll find your perfect home away from home in Glacier National Park. So pack your bags and let the adventure begin.